Perhaps the biggest change that AutoCAD 2013 brings to the table is the inclusion of Autodesk 360, and this is something that CAD managers will want to be aware of. So you'll notice here along the top of the interface that there's a sign-in function now, which has been expanded to include Autodesk 360. If we pull this down, we'll see that we can sign in to Autodesk 360, which of course will require that you've already set up an account. Once you've input your account parameters and sign in, AutoCAD will link up to Autodesk 360. Once login is complete, you'll see your account name appended up here, indicating that you've made it into Autodesk 360 successfully. Now let's pull this down again, and let's go ahead and look at our online options. When the options come up, we can see that we have a new online tab here, which allows us to configure the behavior of Autodesk 360. By default, what happens is, anytime you save a drawing, a backup copy of that drawing, if you will be automatically saved to your cloud storage. Now, depending on whether you have a subscription or not, you're going to have different amounts of space, but at minimum, each user will have 3 gigabytes, which is a decent amount of space to archive project files. Additionally, all the things that make the user experience for driving AutoCAD 2013, such as their desktop and how their CUI is set up, are going to be synced to the cloud as well. If we use this Choose Which Settings Are Synced button, we'll see that basically options, profiles, things like your customization or CUI files, printer support, hatch, tool palettes, in essence, everything that makes AutoCAD what you think AutoCAD should look like is being synced up to the cloud. And this opens up very interesting CAD management possibilities for things like hot desking, where people share machines, or if you need to leave and you'd like to make sure that your AutoCAD on your laptop works exactly as it does on your desktop machine. All you'd have to do is make sure that you log into Autodesk 360 the same way no matter which machine you're on, and your settings will be automatically pulled down onto that machine, and the drawings that you've saved, which have been backed up in the cloud, will be available to you as well. So you won't have to worry about carrying anything around on a memory stick. This has huge implications for how we CAD manage AutoCAD. And I want you to get acquainted with this and start seeing how it works so that you can devise a strategy for how you're going to manage it.